Hi love, join me, let's make this sharp jollof rice as we talk about something very important. Yes, so let me tell you something, mom. Your family needs Jesus. Yes, every family needs Jesus. Let me tell you why. Number one, for guidance and wisdom. Yes, Jesus provides a moral compass and teachings that guide families in making decisions, resolving conflicts, and navigating the complexities of life. Through his teachings, family can cultivate empathy, forgiveness, and love towards one another, fostering a harmonious and supportive environment.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Number two, shared values and beliefs. Beliefs in Jesus can unite family members under a common set of values and beliefs that promote kindness, compassion, forgiveness, and service to others. These shared principles can create a strong bond among family members, fostering understanding, respect, unity within the family unit. Yes, hope you are listening. Or are you still watching the rice? So let's look at the next one. Internal perspective. Yes. Belief in Jesus offers families the hope of eternal life and the promise of a reunion in heaven. This belief can provide comfort and reassurance, especially in times of loss, as family find solace in belief that they will one day be reunited with their love once in the presence of Jesus. The internal perspective can also instill a sense of purpose and meaning in daily life, encouraging family to live with faith and intentionality. My dear, your family needs Jesus. Thank you for watching. Ngwa, let's start dissecting this rice. Start coming over with your plate. I will end this video without thanking every of my followers and my subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much. Thank you for always coming by. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your shares. Thank you for your follow. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you. Love you all. See you. Mwah.